Nature at it again. Hello, hello. There is this beautiful queen here. This plant. I don't know what sort of it is, but it's so beautiful. Even my camera isn't taking the beauty of it. It looks like a glass. When you blow it, it can go. Let me try to shake it off. Yeah, when you see inside, so beautiful. Wow. And the stem, it can break as well. See side to side. And there are so many here. Most of them have been blown off by the wind. And let me try to take this one. Try to see inside. See the inside part of it. Yeah. Then let me try to break another one. Then say woohoo. See, the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing it. Yeah. It's so beautiful. God is so beautiful. God is wonderful. And there's so plenty here. Amazing. It's a beautiful sunny day.